Most people don't really understand insurance super well until it's pretty much too late. That's when they're having a claim or there's something terrible. It's one of the worst days of their lives.
It don't matter if the sun don't shine and the moon don't glow. It don't matter how the earth gon' move, but the world gon' be. I'm gon' be there right next to you.
All right, the shirt is officially on. So let's get to the office. Just wrapping up here at the home office. And we're going to kick off the team meeting today. A lot of good things in this video. I think we'll hopefully try to capture. I'm going to show as much as I possibly can. As always, it's really tough because a lot of these things are like confidential insurance things. But I'm going to share as much as I possibly can. If anybody does get any questions, like what do you want to see, throw them in the comments because it helps me pick more stuff for these videos. So let's go. Let's keep jamming.
Always wanted to live this life. Always wanted to wear that.
Alright, so this is the Tesla. This is the whip. I basically don't pay for gas at all. I haven't paid for gas in a while because I just charge it in my garage, which is super nice. Yeah, electricity is pretty cheap. So it works out super well. I like this car, but yeah, I don't pay for gas, which is super cool. Let's go. This here is one of my favorite watches, Chopard. It's my grandpa's that he gave me, and I like to believe that when I wear it, I close more bigger deals, more and bigger deals. Your words are very powerful. Be careful with what you say. So believe, see it, believe it, and speak it. If you have the courage enough to speak it into existence, speak it into existence and claim what you want. Create what you want. That's my TED Talk for this drive.
At 100 degrees, I freeze the temp. Got my grip and I never proceed to slip. Feel the weight like I just had my Caesar clip.
Alright, we're at the office now. And we're off. There's the whip. I think that one thing I will say is success is just the repetition of difficult things, just doing them over and over again. This is just difficult shit that nobody wants to do. Just doing it over and over consistently. You can't take breaks. You can't choose to do it hard for a month or 2 months. You need to keep going over and over and just keep that consistency and that repetition of difficult things. Difficult things mean making those calls, making the videos, running the quotes, doing the team meetings, doing the sales trainings, etc. Doing those things over and over again until one day you wake up years later and you realize, hey man, like all that paid off and my bank account now looks like my phone number, which is pretty cool. That's it. I think that's the key to success. Hello, Jamel. We're filming the vlog again. The vlog is going again. Jamel's in the vlog today. Woo woo!
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Closing big deals?
Now you're Guido.
I am Guido. Big day today. Vlog's coming live soon. Jamel's closing massive deals. Stuff's looking good. Let's go.
It's looking good.
It's looking real good.
You know, what are we going to allow to run us? The money or our morals and our values? You know?
That's why we pay you the big bucks, Jamel, for these types of statements.
Just to remind you. Oh shoot.
Okay, guys, let's kick off the
Started.
team meeting here. All right, guys, to kick it off, we're closing out quarter two. This is the last couple days of quarter two. So numbers are looking really good. Guys, I think the momentum is looking really solid. The team is really jamming. So I really wanted to close out quarter two strong here in this meeting, and then also kind of give you guys some news and some updates and exciting updates for quarter three that I think everyone's gonna hopefully like. We're trying to reward team members for being sharp, being consistent, and hitting your numbers. So that's what we're gonna be rolling out. All right, guys, also wanted to do some quick shout outs and recognition for the team. First off, and this is in no particular order, but want to shout out Mohammed. Mohammed hit his Q2 bonus officially, which is awesome.
Great job, Mohammed.
Mohammed's been working super late. I've been seeing him on the phone at calling at 6 p.m.
Thank you guys.
Great
Could
job.
I do without everyone?
You
sure.
could, but great job. Just kidding, I'm totally kidding. No, great job though, Mohammed. Super proud of you.
Very proud of you.
Appreciate you. Thank you all for your support.
We'll keep going here. So, Daniel, I wanted to shout you out too. Your improvement on your calls have really come a long way, and it's only been about a month and a half. I've noticed, customers are feeling really heard, well taken care of when speaking to you on the phone.
I appreciate it. I truly couldn't do this with everyone's support. I'm basically chatting and calling everyone for this. So I appreciate you guys. You have been such a great team.
Jamel, here in the office, doing an excellent job crushing the communication with teammates. I think that's one thing, is just communication within teammates, and also the high net worth individuals and clients and customers. I think Jamel comes off as an expert at what she does. One thing I think is really important with Jamel, and this is something we can talk about. Anna Marie, extremely consistent, extremely reliable. You've also picked things up very, very quickly, which I'm very proud of you for. Noemi, despite some, adversity you've come through in these last couple of weeks and stuff, just want to say, Noemi, we're super proud of you. Showing up with a positive attitude. I know I talk to you almost every day just saying, and you're just like, I keep swimming. Yeah, you're doing exactly what it takes to stay in the running here you're very, very close also to your Q2 bonus. So you're doing a really, really good job. And not only that, I think this is one thing I always say to Noemi, and I'm super proud of you for and grateful for, is just the positive attitude, the energy that you bring to the team, and that rubs off on other people. It's super, it's contagious. I think it's really important to sell yourself on these products and on the coverages and your responsibility as an insurance advisor every single day. You need to have that completely sold to yourself, and that takes some time to reflect on what does that mean for you. Sales is a transfer of certainty. If I know for a fact that this policy and this coverage and this carrier is better than what you have, it's a better price and a better quality company, and I believe that you're going to get the best service from my office, then you're going to be sold. You're going to say, okay, you're probably right. If I'm telling you that and you feel it from me, like truly, it's going to make you kind of think about it and be like, okay, maybe this person is right. So that's when I say it's a transfer of certainty, that's what I mean by that. So most people don't really understand insurance super, super well until it's pretty much too late. That's when they're having a claim or there's something terrible. It's one of the worst days of their lives. That's the thing where we come in and we have to be those insurance advisors to make them see those things that could happen in the future before they happen, and make them feel it and understand it and make that best decision for themselves in this moment.
Hungry is when you're relentless. Even when one of your idols are dead in your face and he tell you can't, and you know that he meant it.
She was not at fault. Is that correct? Okay, got it. So in this case, she should, did she get the other person's insurance? Okay, yeah, I would call her. There's a couple things, I would write these down real quick. Did she get the other person's insurance? Did they get a police report? That's another question. If it was a serious accident, sometimes they get a police report. What was the situation? Also, can you explain a little more? Did you get hit from behind? What happened? If it's very clearly she was just rear-ended, that's almost 99% of the time somebody else's fault. She should be making a claim and going through the other party's insurance. She doesn't necessarily need to go through her insurance. She can, if the other party didn't have insurance, she can go through hers if she has uninsured motorist. So I would just check to see is everybody okay? Can you tell me a little bit about what happened? Did you guys document everything? Did you take photos? So look at the homepage, and then at the bottom it's a standard. Yeah. Take necessary steps. So if it was the other party's fault, definitely call them. You can pull up the carrier, which carrier are they with? You could even Google it, it's Kemper. Okay, Kemper Claims Department. Just say after you call the other carrier to open a claim on them, call Home State and let them know that you called, somebody hit you and you called their carrier to open a claim. So I would give her both claims. First call the other party's carrier and then call your carrier.
Yeah. Yeah.
get some golf with a couple of the boys. Nick Day, commercial real estate agent. Finn, good buddy, who's in construction for commercial real estate. And Dom, who's our neighbor, who does acquisitions and mergers and selling of businesses. All very successful guys. So let's get it with the boys, get some golf going. I'll take you guys along for...
Ain't really much in the hood these days. I'm trying to get me paid. 10 rats can really do good these days. Keep my pack so late.
Let's see it. Oh,
Delete that.
we're gonna keep that in. Sunk it. We usually play for free here because we got the connects.
What's that hat you got on?
Shout out Manhattan Beach. Shout out to my local friends. It's a little windy today, but we're gonna play well. I'm feeling really good about it.
What you finesse, we have someone new that's running this place.
Usually our buddy Matt Fraudis, he's one of actually the Adelphia clients, great guy. He's the GM here at the West Drift. Usually hooks us up with a free round, but unfortunately today the guy, it's his second week, so he could not give us a free round because he's gonna get fired.
So what'd you get the deal for? What's the
It
deal?
goes for $5. $5 each.
Art of the deal.
Art of the deal, man. Start high, meet in the middle.
There we go.
Look at the
Not bad at all.
The feathers are out.
On the green.
That three
Yes,
for
sir.
three on
3 on greens.
All right.
Three on greens.
Let's go.
So are we shotgunning the next hole?
We have to, dude.
That was an amazing thing.
I like this thing. Look at this thing.
All right, these are our shots. Dom almost got a hole in one.
That's a great divot. Are you the divot lover?
Nick's back there on the back of the green.
Actually, we're all on the green, boys.
I know.
I'm right here to the right of the green. Wow, look at that, Dom. Look at that, Dom. And it had a little backspin too, huh?
There's a huge divot right here. Let me put this in.
Shotgun a beer. It's in. He's shotgun a beer. Let's go.
I'm good.
Nice. All right, Dom, it's all you, man. Oh, four.
I was playing that hole.
Yo, I am in this right now.
Oh, get on the green. Oh, bad bounce, but good shot. Uh-oh, he's
I'm in a
in
good
it.
spot though. I'll take it.
I'm gonna have to fucking do something from a recovery zone over here.
You know what that means?
What?
A little 1942 action.
All by yourself? Oh my gosh.
Finish that off. Woo! Oh, cousin Nick, Legacy Real Estate. Buy some real estate.
Cousin Nick,
Woo!
come to me.
Nice hit. Right next to me.
Oh shit.
Let's go.
The feathers are out today.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Alright, I'm hitting 3.
Oh!
I'm counting it.
Oh
I'm hitting
man!
I'm hitting my 3rd shot. Good round.
Good round. Nobody owes beers. Success.
Let's go get a beer.
Let's go get some beers
On all of us.
on all of us.
Yeah. I seen a bad little drone with a cute little figure. I might just hit her. She was saying when I heard she's nuts, but she came more sweet. That's something like Snickers. I might slide to the ring.
All right, guys, here we go. Got Gabs in the vlog.
What's up, guys?
Gabs in the vlog. What you
How are
making?
you? Popcorn, the usual. I'm melting some extra butter to put on
There's
top.
more.
'cause
There's already
I'm
pop-
extreme. I want that movie theater extra butter
Movie theater extra butter.
feel. Yeah.
This is Nick's lava,
Your roommate.
aka
They were
roommate.
roommates.
Look, ain't that right, little baby? Give me a hand.
Chris is gonna be
Give me the hand.
got hella
Oh,
birds in this
yes.
video. Hella
Other hand.
birds.
Other hand.
Oh,
Oh.
that was great.
Give me the hand. Give me the hand. Oh, other hand. Oh, you're so sweet.
Yeah.
Oh.
I seen a bad little drone with a cute little figure. I might just hit her. She saying when I heard she's nuts, but she came more sweet, that's something like Snickers. I might slide to the rave dip quick with a couple of guys, that's something like pickup. Drink slow or the lit might hit, now you won't feel sick, but you might get hiccups. See the fact that we got hit core, so you might hit floor like you're doing on self.